Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone, where we bring you the latest, most exciting, and most honest smartphone reviews, and today we are diving into a device that is already creating massive buzz in 2026, the Oppo Reno 15c 5G. Oppo has once again proven that the Reno series is not just about good looks, but also about powerful performance, smart features, and value for money, and the Reno 15c 5G is a perfect example of this philosophy. Right from the first look, the Oppo Reno 15c 5G feels premium and stylish. The slim body, smooth curves, and refined finish make it look far more expensive than its actual price tag. Oppo has always been strong in design, and with the Reno 15c 5G, they've taken things a step further by offering a lightweight yet solid build that feels extremely comfortable in hand. The phone is clearly designed for users who want elegance without compromising on durability. The display on the Oppo Reno 15c 5G is one of its biggest highlights. It features a large AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games, the visual experience feels smooth and immersive. Outdoor visibility is impressive, and the thin bezels add to the modern, edge-to-edge look that many users love in 2026 smartphones. When it comes to performance, the Oppo Reno 15c 5G does not disappoint. Powered by a capable 5G chipset optimized for speed and efficiency, this phone handles daily tasks effortlessly. Multitasking feels smooth, apps open quickly, and even demanding games run with stable frame rates. Oppo has also done a great job with software optimization, making the overall experience fluid and responsive. Whether you are a casual user or someone who pushes their phone hard, the Reno 15c 5G keeps up without lag. Camera lovers will find a lot to enjoy here. The Oppo Reno 15c 5G comes with an advanced camera setup that captures sharp, detailed, and colorful photos in almost every lighting condition. Daylight shots look crisp with accurate colors, while portrait mode delivers impressive background blur and subject separation. Low-light photography has been significantly improved thanks to smart AI processing in night mode, allowing you to capture clear and bright photos even after sunset. The front camera is equally impressive, making it perfect for selfies, video calls, and content creation for social media. Battery life is another strong point of the Oppo Reno 15c 5G. Equipped with a large capacity battery, the phone easily lasts a full day on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Streaming, gaming, browsing, and social media consumption can all be done without constantly worrying about battery percentage. And when it's time to recharge, Oppo's fast charging technology comes to the rescue, powering up the phone quickly and efficiently so you can get back to your routine in no time. On the software side, the Reno 15c 5G runs the latest version of ColorOS based on Android, offering a clean, feature-rich, and customizable user experience. Smooth animations, smart privacy controls, and useful AI features make daily usage more enjoyable. Oppo has also focused on long-term usability by promising regular updates and security patches, which is a big plus for users who plan to keep their phone for years. Connectivity is future-ready with full 5G support, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds, low latency, and stable connections. Whether you are streaming high-quality content, downloading large files, or playing online games, the Oppo Reno 15c 5G delivers a reliable and fast network experience. Dual SIM support, strong call quality, and improved signal reception make it a dependable companion for everyday communication. In conclusion, the Oppo Reno 15c 5G is a well-balanced smartphone that ticks almost every box in 2026. It offers a stunning design, an excellent display, solid performance, impressive cameras, long battery life, and fast charging, all wrapped in a competitive price range. For users looking for a stylish, powerful, and future-ready 5G smartphone, the Oppo Reno 15c 5G is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Smartphone for more exciting smartphone content coming your way.